Yo, Big D in the house. That's me, by the way.
Yo, what up? It's your boy Cole Shiesty.
Yo, Proverbs 11. It's gonna take me to heaven. Yeah, the Bible's so good, it'll save me from the hood. The Lord is the righteous, and the Lord hates the wicked. But when it comes to the Bible, I'm not committed.
Hey, people with chief disgraces. They're stuck up a flat on their faces. Always be honest, even when it doesn't apply. Hey, if you don't listen to the Lord, then you're gonna die. Yeah, moral character, that's push and pee. But sinful lust, that's not for me. Hey, when the wicked die, that's it, end of story. But when the righteous die, that's a symbol of glory. Hey, bad things happen to bad people. So I'ma go pray under the steeple. Hey, when you live poor, it doesn't bless the city. But when you live right, it's mad litty. Hey, Proverbs 11. Hey, Proverbs 11.
It's gonna take me to heaven.
Yeah,
The Bible's so good, it'll save me from the hood. The Lord is the righteous, and the Lord hates the wicked. But when it comes to the Bible, I'm not committed. Yo! Without good direction, people lose their way. They do! When I'm with God, what? I shout hooray! Yeah! When you're kind to others, you help people out. You do? But when you're bad, the Lord has a lot of doubt. Woo! Bad work gets paid with a really bad check. But when I see sin, I say, what the heck? God is the loyal community, or how he relishes integrity. Wow. The wicked won't survive, so don't want it count. Don't just kind of like a gold ring in a pig's snout. Hey, student of evil is never right.
no he's not.
But the one who seeks good finds the light.
Yeah,
A violent wife is really buns. Hey, so don't abuse your family, cause they're the real ones. Hey, Proverbs 11.